This is the story of Gerald, the most amazing boy around.
When other kids spoke words,
he only made this sound.
Gerald McBoing Boing. Gerald McBoing Boing. He makes all kinds of sounds, whistles, honks, and chirps. His dog never barks, but watch out when he barks. Gerald McBoing Boing.
Guess the sound.
sound check! Oh, are you cold, Gerald? I'll call the flight attendant for some blankets.
What can I get you? Some blankets?
Thanks.
Can I get you something? Some juice or soda? I'll be right back. Here is juice and peanuts. Can I get you anything else? We've got crackers, bread and butter, gum, candy, and headphones. Can I get you anything else? Let's see, we've got airplane food, a stuffed cow, flowers, a clown wig, a mustache and glasses, a tennis racket, and balloons. Enjoy!
Boy, did I just have a strange dream, Gerald. You were wearing a rainbow wig, a mustache and glasses. You had balloons and you were playing tennis with a cow.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
This is my new parrot, Polly. She can talk, right, Polly? Say something. Polly, want a cracker? Polly, want a cracker? Please say something, Polly. If you do, I'll give you a cracker.
Come on, Polly.
That's right, Polly. What do you have to say?
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of an emperor named Jake, and the time he made an embarrassing mistake. For the most part, he had all he could desire: gold coins and cupcakes and fancy attire.
Oops. Yum.
What more could an emperor possibly want? Except maybe another chocolate croissant.
Okay, maybe just one more.
Today was a day even better than most, for there was a party and there'd be French toast.
Oh, I love French toast.
First, the emperor needed something to wear. And he needed to fix the crown in his hair.
Oops.
The emperor wasn't sure what he should pick. A pink pinstriped suit and a brass walking stick?
Or maybe my brand new green soccer sweater. Or a purple shirt, which I think I like better.
Clothes were flying all through the air as the emperor stood in his red underwear. Sadly, a window was open quite wide, and two of his shoes, they flew right outside. As those shoes were his absolute favorite pair, out the window he went, in his red underwear. Jake planned to be out and back in a flash, but the window blew shut. It closed with a crash. The Emperor tried the front door with a frown, but he was locked out with no pants and a crown. He'd never been in quite this big a mess, standing outside in this state of undress. Just when the Emperor thought this was the end, along came Gerald, his sound-making friend.
The party is starting at 2:45. Please, will you hide me from the people I see?
The Emperor would try to get back inside, with Gerald to help when he needed to hide. Along came a girl who was walking her cow. Gerald squealed like a pig. And there was a sow.
Nice pig.
Nice cow.
They were joined by a knight with a sword and a shield. Gerald made a loud and a clock was revealed. There was a locksmith nearby a tree. Gerald sounded a lock. And there was a key.
What am I supposed to do with this key? It's too tiny. I can't hide myself with this.
The Emperor didn't get what the small key was for, till he finally realized
I can open the door.
everything was perfect.
I can't wait to put on pants.
But whoops, he'd arrived in the middle of the dance. Nobody minded the Emperor had no clothes, for they all really liked the red curtain he chose.
Wow, what a fabulous robe.
Thank you. It's new.
And soon all the guests, they wanted one too. So as it turns out, Jacob started a trend, which is really the best way this story could end.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
That was cool. I had fun.
Yeah, me too.
Oh no! Polly's gone! We've got to find her! Polly, where have you been? I must have the only boinging bird on the entire planet.
Where's all that boinging coming from?
Polly taught all the other birds to boing boing. See what you started, Gerald.
Boy, shopping sure works up an appetite. Should we take a look around and then decide what to eat?
Sure, let's try the Mexican meatball stand.
Well, would you look at that, Gerald? Must be your lucky day. You love samples. Wowza! That must have been one spicy Mexican meatball. Let's get you some ice cream to cool down.
Too cold for you, Gerald? Well, how about the next place then?
Wow, Gerald. Where'd you learn how to do that?
Oh, she's from the old country.
Chocolate eggs. You've tried everything now, Gerald. So what's it gonna be? The meatballs or the ice cream?
The cheese or the chocolate?
You don't think we should eat anywhere?
Excuse me. Gerald's full.
Guess the sound.
Sound check! Boing, 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 boing.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Hungry? Right now?
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
I feel like I haven't eaten in days.
Oh, but I have to get to the store before it closes.
Can we please stop for some sizzling burgers?
Or a fruit shake. And dessert.
But I don't think we have time for all that.
Can't go on.
All right. I have an idea. I'll be right back.
Ice cream! Thanks, Mrs. McCloy.
Not just ice cream. It's an ice cream lunch cone.
Ice cream lunch cone?
Sure, give it a try.
Mine tastes like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with an apple and some vanilla ice cream.
Mine too.
Yep, it's a complete balanced lunch in an ice cream cone. For myself, I got a chocolate sundae spaghetti and meatballs with side salad.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Say, Gerald, what you doing there? I see. Wow, that's me! Cool, Gerald.
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of a horse that could fly and soar through the air way up high in the sky.
Yahoo!
She could do loop-de-loops, she could fly upside down. On her back was a princess in a silvery gown.
Woo!
Down on the ground they watched as she flew. One farmer shouted,
I want to fly too! But all I have now is a sheep, pig, and cow. I wish they could fly, but they don't know how.
In a nice little shop in the center of town was a boy who could make anything with a sound.
I need a telephone, a lawnmower, and a pair of fake chattering teeth. You are good. Thanks.
That's when the farmer entered the shop.
I need some balloons that are big and won't pop. Thanks.
The farmer then tried to make his sheep fly.
I'll climb on your back and head for the sky.
But before he could ride that sheep in the air, it floated away and he shouted.
No fear!
That farmer raced back to that sound-making feller.
Hurry, please, sir. I need a propeller. Thanks.
So he fixed up his cow to fly like a plane.
We'll bring back the sheep. On the ground he'll remain. I'll fly my cow like that horse. Yes, it's true.
But turning his back, that darn cow took off too.
Hey, come back here. Stop!
That farmer raced back to the shop with great speed.
A rocket ship engine. That's what I need. Hurry, please, sir. I must catch my cow. My sheep is gone too. Help me, please, now. Thanks.
As soon as he left, the princess flew down to the shop with the boy who could make any sound.
I've been flying around, and I just have to say, the skies are getting quite crowded today.
When they looked up, they saw the birds had no room, as a cow chased a sheep and a pig went zoom, zoom. And running behind them, a poor farmer cried,
Come back. You're supposed to give me a ride.
How did this happen? Please tell me why.
It's my fault. I wanted a horse that could fly. I put balloons on my sheep, but he floated away. I fixed my cow with propellers, but what can I say? He took off, and then I set my pig loose. A rocket ship engine gave him a boost. Now they're all off, flying, of course. All 'cause I wanted to fly on a horse.
Hey, I have an idea.
she said, fixing her crown.
We can all ride my horse and bring your friends down.
Really?
Woo! So those three kids flew high over the ground, and for each of the creatures, the boy had a sound. All the animals landed from way up on high, and the farmer was happy.
I finally can fly! Yeah! Woo!
Guess the sound.
Sound check! So, you want us to fold and rip this paper? So I tear from here to here.
Wow, that is so cool.
Hey, Gerald, this is a record player. It's how people used to listen to music a long time ago. Want to see how it works? I can also crank this player faster to speed the music up. Whoa, that was great, Gerald. Want to try it again?
Guess the sound.
Sound check! Boing, 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 boing!